Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name is AboEG001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my video and the first person to learn from the video. Please kindly stay tuned to the end. Kindly stay tuned to the end. Watch the video to the end and see you are going to learn one or two things from there. Seriously. Seriously. I think inshallah, tomorrow I'm gonna drop the word forex means how to be trading with me. You understand my how to be using my signal. So kindly don't forget please don't forget to subscribe, and for you that you are that my video just pop up to your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification also. So let's quickly go into the chart and see what is happening. But before we go into the chart, you already know we go into the fundamental analysis to see maybe there is high impact news into the forex factory. Maybe there is high impact news or there is no high impact news. So let's see what is happening on Forex Factory. I think there is holiday today. Let's see, maybe USA has holiday because today's supposed to be fundamental. Today's supposed to be what should I call it? Today's supposed to be not from Palmero NFP. Yeah, you see. This Chef has back holiday, Jama has back holiday, all the has back holiday, GBP back holiday, Canada back holiday, only USA does not have back holiday, and there is NFP, non-farm pay, non-farm unemployment rate. Unemployment rate. Let's see their impact, their usual effect. They said actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. So if the news came out in what in green color, definitely the currency is good. And actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. And let's see unemployment rate. Actual greater than the forecast. Actual less than forecast is good for the currency. Both is greater. This one is less. So let's see. As I used to say before the new 15 minutes before the news, stay away from the market, and 15 minutes after the news or 30 minutes after the news, you can join the market. This is what we have, and let's analyze the markets. Let's go into the trading view. Let's analyze the markets. Let's see what the market has for us on inside the trading view. So this is what we are having. This is what we are having. I know we started from US XAUUSD, and this is what we are having. Hey, what happened to this? Yeah, this is what we are having, and you can see this is the last break of structure on the market on daily time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. It closes with full body candle. You can see it closes with full body candle, and what is happening now? This FEG is what is weekly FEG. This is our swing high now. Where if the market want to break this one, definitely we are continuing the uptrend, and this is our swing low. If the market break this one, definitely we are coming down trend. We are coming to this key monthly key level. And let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame is saying. This is the supply that pushes the market down, and this is the new supply. This is the supply that pushed the market, and this is the new supply now. Let's see what this new supply I mean, because this player has turned to key level. You can see it has turned to resistance, it has turned to key level. So this is the new supply, but inside this new major supply, this is we are having minor supply. This is the first minor supply market has broken, and this is the main supply market has already it has not I mistakenly 75%, but market is trying to push the market up. This is what we are having now. This is the break construction, and this is another break construction. This we have here fit here, and there's key level over here. And let's just read this structure now. This is the last break of structure. This is where the market breaking it, and this is the what we are having uptrend now. And on 4 hours, this is the FEG we are seeing on 4 hours. This is the FEG we are seeing. We are expecting the market to mitigate. We are expecting the market to mitigate this FEG, and this FEG, this FEG has already been mitigated. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Since we have seen the trend at this, we are still in the uptrend. This is 1 hour time frame, and this is what the market has is giving us. Market has mitigated Market has mitigated this FEG 4 hours FEG, and this is our analysis yesterday. So let's stick to this analysis. Let's now move to 15 minutes. I said if the market broken this this lower high on 15 minutes, definitely the market will retest and what and continue the option. And here what you can see here, you can see market has already give us touches the other blocks, trying to push it down, but market is going up. So we're expecting the market to what to break this level again, to break this, mitigate and continue the uptrend. Take our profit here. This is what we are still seeing. We stick to this analysis in the yesterday analysis. This is what we are analyzed yesterday, and this is where we are still. This is what we are still sticking to, is that we are still what we are still buying since the 4 hours has given us that the market is buying because market expected this FEG and continue the uptrend. So we are still expecting the buy. So let's now move to XAGUSD, which is silver USD. These are silver. These are key level here. Then these are higher key level. All these ones are liquidity market has already set. But this the last break custom market gave us, and market old market give us here does not give us break of structure. So definitely the market. Let's now move to 4 hours since we have spotted our key level. This is the supply that pushes the market down, and unfortunately market does not break the structure. You can see market does not break. So what market give us on 4 hours is liquidity sweat, in which we are in uptrend. And let's continue this trend now. This is what we are continuing now. You can see on 4 hours we are seeing uptrend. This is the way supply market touches, and it has market touches again. It has turned to what? It has turned to what? Support. It has turned to resistance. Market swept this liquidity over here. It has turned to resistance. And what market do? We are having what FEG here. We are having other block here, and market has already mitigated it yesterday. This is our yesterday analysis, and market has already mitigated it. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see what's market on 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. Market respected it, and market is continuing to dish us what uptrend. This is what we analyzed yesterday, and what market stick to it. And on 15 minutes, what market I joined this trade on demo account. Me, I still need help if you want to help me, because I'm still using demo to trade, because what is happening now is that my life account is $10. So this month $10, this April $10 that I supposed to use, I've used it to source one or two things. So I just use demo. And for those of you that you are using my signal, please, you are watching my video and you are following my signal, please kindly don't forget to use proper risk management. I beg. Use your stop loss and what and 1:3. That's it. Now you can see this our key level here on 15-minute time frame. And I said if markets broken it with full body candle, it should retest and continue with the uptrend. And we can see what the market do. Market broken it, retest, and what is continue the uptrend. We are see this what is still valid. It's still valid. Don't close it. If you are open it since yesterday, this market is still valid. The market is going to market is going uptrend. Market is going up there. This is what we are seeing on what? On XAG, USD, which is silver, and gold. Gold too is buying. Let's wait for market to break this key level retest and what continue the uptrend. So let's move to what? Let's move to UX30. I think UX30 is selling. Yesterday our analysis for selling on US30. From daily time frame, these are key level, these are swing high, and this oh no, this is not US30, this is US30, these are swing high. And our swing low, this is what the market is giving us. But what is happening now, market is giving us this is the this is the manual supply on daily time frame. Market is giving us that trend. You can see the downtrend. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what market is doing on 4 hours time frame. This is the supply. Market mitigated is positioning us downtrend. But this market, as we took yesterday, is on 1 hour time frame. When we move to 1 hour time frame, we see break of structure. This is change of character. You see break of structure here, break of structure here, and we put our change of character here. You can see three break of consecutive three break of structure, one, two, three, and we put our change of character here. So we are expecting the market to push it down again. This is this is other block. We are expecting the market to push it down. Let's now move to 15 minutes. Maybe you can see opportunity on 15 minutes again, or 5 minutes. But I don't use the trade on those 5 minutes. That is why. So we are still in downtrend. So let's stick to this sell. Let's stick to this sell. Yeah, since the market may mitigated. If you want to join this market, you can join this market, but I do not see opportunity where to join this market. That is the problem. If you say, well, this is that smaller time frame, this is smaller time frame. If you read the internal, let's just read the internal. This is the last record structure. This the market mitigated this FEG. This is the record structure. You can see this is the record structure. Market was mitigated this place, but there is opportunity here. There is FEG here. On 15-minute time frame, there is FEG here, in which market is coming into. If market is coming back, let's move to 5 minutes. Let's see. But I don't trade 5 minutes. That is the problem. This is what is happening. So let's follow 15 minutes. Let's read this structure. Let's use Fibonacci retracement self. Yes. So let's just see. I'm not seeing opportunity to join this market on 15-minute time frame because what market is giving me is not giving me no clear information. You can see this is the last break of structure. You can see change of character here and break of structure here. So yes, so to join this market, if you want to join this market on 15 minutes or 1 hour, let's use 1 hour to join this market. If you want to join this market on 1 hour, we just wait for the market to break this structure and continue the downtrend. To break this key level here and continue the downtrend. If market can break that key level over there and continue the downtrend, let's put our stop loss here. So let's see if market can break that key level over there. If market can break this retest and continue the downtrend, that's what I'm looking for. So this has our key level on 1 hour time frame. If market can break it, retest and continue the downtrend. This is what I'm seeing. This is the key level I'm seeing. This 1 hour key level, and I check on 30 minutes, it's aligning with it. So this is the key level I'm seeing. If market can break it, retest and continue the downtrend, that is what I'm seeing on US30. This is what is happening on US30. Seriously. So this is what is happening on US30. This is what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is the change of character, and market has mitigated this change of character of that block. So if we are what's the said we are expecting now is just to break this key level or break this lower low, break this lower low and retest and continue the downtrend, or break this internal lower low and break and retest. So we are expecting the sell again. This is what I'm saying. That is why I'm selling. Let's move to GJ. GJ from daily time frame, this is what the GJ, this is the swing high and this is the swing low. This is the demand, major demand that give us this swing high. So we are still expecting the buy, but what market is doing, market is in this minor key level, minor demand key level. This is the key demand. So market try to push it up, but they couldn't. So market came back again. This is the supply, but because the supply has already been, minor supply has already been, and we see break of structure here. After seeing break of structure over there, we see FEG here, FEG here. So since we have seen the FEG, let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is what 4 hours time frame is giving us. After market mitigated those FEG, market is trying to come down, but we did not see opportunity where to set again. But we move when we now go to 1 hour time frame to redefine the market. This is what we see on 1 hour time frame. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure, and this is the what? This is change of character. That is change of character. So this is change of character, and we have change of character order block. So I'm expecting the market to come what to come down again. But if you want to join this buy, this is what we are seeing. Market has broken this higher high, internal higher high. So we are expecting, if you want to this has give us higher high, another higher high. So if you want to join this market, just wait for the market to break this. After breaking it, we go to 5 minutes retest and continue the uptrend. That is what I'm looking for. I'm still looking for if you are looking for buy, but the major trend is what is downtrend. So I'm looking for the downtrend. As I used to say that I want to be trading like a professional. I don't want to be taking any trade, any out trade. That's why I don't. It's not advisable for me to join this market. So it's either I wait here for the market to trigger a sell, or I take any out trade and market should stop the trade for me. So this is what I'm saying. If you have the mind of taking the buy, you can take the buy, but you must see the market break and retest from. If market break it, it will retest and continue the uptrend. That's it. That is what I'm saying. That is a valid trade. So break, retest on 15 minutes. You just break and retest on 15 minutes, and that is it. So let's move to EU. EU also, for 15-minute time frame, this are daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. But this swing low created liquidity, and this is the previous swing low. Market set this liquidity, mitigated this swing low. So definitely the market is in what? The market has given us uptrend, but this is the last break of structure. After market mitigated this supply that is trying to give us what? Another another downtrend, but it couldn't give us next break of structure. Definitely this has turned to resistance. It has turned to key level market. What we reacted. So unfortunately for us, market came back to it on, I think, yesterday, the day before yesterday, which is Wednesday. We analyzed yesterday. We analyzed this market. Market came back to it and trying to come down. So on 1 hour time frame, let's see the opportunity market gave us. This is the last break of structure, and this is the change of character. Definitely, we are still looking for down. We are still looking for down trend on what? On this market again. But for those of you that want to take this trade, you can just join the trade here. You can just try to buy safe, buy the market and put your stop loss here. Put your stop loss here and your TP here. So, but the sell is what? The sell is valid. This is where we are selling. This is where we are selling. Let me see, maybe let me see what is happening inside it, because I play some trade, because I'm using foreign next competition demo account to trade now, you understand. So I guess be clear to all my fans, all my subscriber. So I'm not using a live account to trade, because my live account has dropped down so last month. So the money I'm planning to to fund the account this month, I've used it for other things, that is family matter. So that is why. If you want to help your guy, you can just send me $100. If you want $1,000, you can just say, let me just help this guy. Let me send him $1,000 to be using to be pushing himself. So I will really appreciate it. So if you want anything, and if you want any, maybe you want me to explain it for you very well, explain the chart for you very well, you want me to guide you on this forex journey, just kindly DM me through my Telegram. I will answer you. I will answer you seriously. For all my helpers, if you want to help me, see, I'm sorry, please, kindly DM me also. I will quickly reply you, sir or ma. So let's quickly, yes, since we have analyzed EU finish. This is what we are seeing in EU. You are still buying on EU. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what is happening on UJ also. This is UJ. I think this UJ is giving us what kind of, this is UJ from daily time frame. The reason why this is so fast is because we have analyzed it yesterday. We have analyzed this. We refine it to what, to just continue the trade. So this is our swing low, this is our swing high here, and we have another demand here that give us this break of structure. This is break of structure, and this way we are expecting the market to mitigate before we can see uptrend. But let's move to the 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the change. This is the internal break of structure, and we see change of character. Definitely, we are expecting the market to push it down, but there is FEG here. If the market wants to respect this FEG, if the market wants to continue the uptrend, because on 4 hours time frame we have internal break of structure, and this is what the market expected, this internal break of structure. But I'm expecting the market, because this trend line is liquidity trend line, this way I'm expecting the market to mitigate before anything seriously. But let's now read the structure. Since the market after what change of character to downtrend, let's just see what is happening. So we are still selling from here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the trade we say we took yesterday. This is the last break of structure, and we are taking the buy, and you can see the buy is trying to go in our favor, because 4 hours time frame is giving us FEG here. So we are trying to buy the market to this FEG if the market wants to expect that FEG. But if the market wants to expect this, we are what we are still selling from here. We are still selling from here. This is what we are seeing. We are still selling from here. If the market can please shred the liquidity before continue the uptrend. So this is what we are seeing, buy to sell. But if the market broke this structure, definitely we still continue our buy. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see all these places our liquidity market is going to sweep before continuing the downtrend. You can see all this place our liquidity market is going to sweep before continuing the downtrend. Seriously. You can see this is liquidity. All these places our liquidity market is going to sweep. On 15-minute time frame, let's see this uptrend. So that we not see, it's better to wait for the major analysis than to be taking internal trade in 1 hour, to taking trade up and down. That is, as for me, that's better to just know what is doing inside the market. So let's move to DJ. This is what's happening on DJ. What DJ is giving us the vibe of uptrend. From the swing high, from the daily time frame, this is our swing low, and this is our swing high, and this is our last break of structure on daily time frame. And you can see the minor demand market mitigated. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. So we are in uptrend. This is the 4 hours time frame, and this is what is happening. Market has already given us change of character, and what we are expecting is market to come to this change of character order block. But market did not expected they gave us liquidity swept this first weekend, and the second candle quickly go back inside the body, and you can see this is uptrend for me. And to adjust this thing, if you want to take this trade, you just place your key level your trade here and be waiting for opportunity. This is where if you want to take this buy, you can just take this buy from it. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening on 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. And as for me, it's better to take the trade from here and continue the uptrend to this resistance. We are still buying to this resistance seriously, because all what market has given us uptrend. This is valid uptrend. You can see all this week has already been touched it. So we are taking the uptrend. Now let's go 15 minute time. Let's see what's 15 minute time frame. This is the last break of structure. You can see market is trying to mitigate the place and continue the uptrend. So it's better for us to continue the uptrend since we found the key level on what on 4 hours time frame. Then we go to 15 minute time frame. We see break and retest. This is what I will try. I explain to you. This is what I'm trying. You can see this is key level. You go to 15 minute time frame. Market will break it, retest, and continue the uptrend. That is it. That is it. So stay tuned to this market. So market will retest and continue the uptrend. That's why we are still buying on GJ. Let's see what is happening on crypto. Let's see if the crypto has the crypto still has the opportunity for us. From daily time frame, you can see what is happening on crypto. This is internal break of structure to downtrend, and this is supply. But market swept this liquidity over here. But what market is trying to do? Market is trying to give us a downtrend, vibes of downtrend. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is what we are seeing on 4 after market mitigate this liquidity, but this 4 hours does not give us what structure that we want. We now move to 1 hour for the clear structure. You can see the 1 hour we are seeing what change of character. After seeing change of character, market this is the change of character order block. So we are expecting the sell. Market should come here, continue the sell. This is what we are still expecting on what on 50 on BTC. If you see 15 minute time frame, you can see this is the break of structure change of character, and we are still expecting the sell from here. So let's just be expecting the sell from over there. This is what 1 hour gave us. We are expecting the sell from here. This is what we are expecting the sell from us. Let's see Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum is giving us. Ethereum too is giving us the vibe of selling. From daily time frame, you can see the internal structure because market is in between this major the swing high and the swing low, and you can see the internal structure the market is giving us. Market is giving us a pick of structure to downtrend. Market has already mitigated it. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. It's giving 4 hours does not give us structure well, but we just move to 1 hour time frame to see the structure well. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure, change of character, and the market is giving us change of character order block. Yeah, and since the market is giving us change of character, so we are expecting the sell from here also. Please don't forget to use proper risk manager. This is what we are having. So I will try and do self explanation tomorrow on how to trade, on how to take my trade, on how to be plotting or you understand one or two things. So tomorrow, inshallah, I pray to Almighty God to give me the power to do the video because so let's see what is happening. This is what the chart is happening for giving us the fives of the market. But you already know we have news. So 1:30, please stay away from the market. Before 1:30, maybe 15 minutes. 1:15, please stay away from the market. 2 o'clock, you can just enter the market back. Or yeah, 2 o'clock, just enter the market back and continue your trade. Because USA does not ask holiday today, does not have holiday today. They are going to release high pattern. So let's just stay focused and stay disciplined. This is what we are having. I pray we all be profitable and successful. Today is going to be our day. This is the last week already. This is the last day in the week already. So inshallah is going to align to is going to align with our calling. This trading journey is going to align with our calling, and we are going to be a successful, profitable trader. And in any other skills we are doing. I already know my name. Once again, my name is Abu 001. Kindly don't forget to share. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to on the notification button so that you'll be the first person what to learn from the video. You'll be the first person to see the video. Thanks, peace and love. Have a lovely day and have a lovely weekend ahead.